Welcome back everybody, and we've got our RPB set on, which is that one, and we've got RPA, which is that one. Now we don't have a box for this one at the moment, which I keep saying, so I will do a box for it at some point. And obviously we showed that one running yesterday, I think, but we can run it again, can't we?
Yeah.
So we'll do that after that one.
It's the same wagons, isn't it?
Yeah.
Essentially.
Yeah, and then, but we haven't got any of the green coaches, so that's on our find list, I suppose, isn't it? At some point, and obviously find another one. You can see the locos there. Look, they must have been available separately, mustn't they?
Yeah.
And the wagons and the coaches. See in that picture, they've got red buffers. But in the picture, they're not shown.
How odd.
So
maybe it's again poetic license.
Right, so I'm gonna hand over the phone over to old Mr. Mandalorian tonight, and then I'm gonna do
the fun part.
Yeah. And then I'll take. Or do you want to do it?
I'll do it.
Right, it's that one you got to pull out.
Okay.
So hold the loco and pull the lever out.
Cool.
All right. So do the green one first.
Ready?
Yeah, go on in. I mean, go quite. Oh no, we lost the coach. Stop it. Push your thing in.
I could always put it in reverse to come and pick it up.
No, because it would just smash it, won't it? Oh, these are fun. Much.
Not as fun as the small ones. I like the smaller ones better.
Well, we haven't got to that era yet, have we? Is that on? Right, I don't know how much zum it's got left in it. No, it's not enough. No, it's not enough. Right.
It's that one, isn't it?
Yeah, pull it out.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, quite fast, really. Will it go round again? It's slowing down.
Like it picks up its own speed.
I bet it stops underneath there. Well, there you go, it stopped there.
It stopped in the station.
Yeah, it's as well, isn't it? You've got to fish that one out again now. So there you go. I know we shouldn't be dragging it backwards across the track, but what else can we do?
We can't.
I'm not moving all that. So there you go. That was fun. Right, hold that a minute. Take that a minute. See if I can get this off without derailing it all. Right. So there you go. That's that one. I think I've derailed it. Whee, fly camera. So there you go. They're called primary sets, aren't they?
Yeah.
Or primary series. Ah.
Oh yeah.
Ah. Oops. Right, hold it. Go on. Detached it. Yeah, stop it there. Right, put his top back on.
And I'll stop it in the station over there. Sounds like he wants to give up.
Nah, it's alright. So, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that little video. So we're going to set up for Transcontinental now, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to put these away. Hope you enjoy them. Enjoy the video. And bye for now. So bye, Mando.
Bye.
It is the way.